What's up guys, Beat Up coming at you here with another video, and today's video is going to be a how-to video. For those of you guys who have not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so by clicking on that link in the right hand corner of your screen. This channel is dedicated towards cars and car mods, particularly pertaining to the Nissan 370Z. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give a little summary of what we're going to be talking about today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to switch out your Vanity license plate light bulb. So generally speaking, stock, it's going to come with a really ugly, in my opinion, light with a yellow tinge to it. Does not look good on the car whatsoever. I wish that these Nissans would have came with the bright LED white light bulb back there to begin with from factory, but that's okay. It's a very simple process. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this. Do note, this process is identical if you do have a Nissan 350Z. I actually did the same process with my last Z car. For those of you guys who don't know, I did have an '07 350Z Grand Touring, and I immediately changed out those vanity lights instantly. So this will take light bulb number 194 for either Z car that you have, whether you have a 370Z or a 350Z. And I'm sorry guys, my pug mug, I don't know where she went, but she's just trying to say hi to everyone. So sorry if you guys hear her barking in the background. So it's bulb number 194, 6,000 kelvins for this here is the one I'm going with. This is an excellent brand, by the way. I got this at AutoZone. It's the Sylvania brand, LED. They go for about $22 for a 2-pack. You need to make sure to grab the 2-pack as there are 2 lights back there, not 1. So let's go ahead and go on out to the garage and I'll show you guys the process. All right guys, so we're out here in my garage and I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you the best I can with like how I did this process. Do note, I'm sorry ahead of time, it's so hard for me to try to hold the camera. There's nothing for me to really like mount this on or anything for right now, but I do wish that my pug had arms and hands to be able to hold the phone for me. So yeah, it makes it kind of hard. But basically what you're going to want to do, there's our housing for the right, housing for the left. As you can see, I've already got our bulb number 194 put on this side. And then this is what the stock bulb looks like right here. So there's our filter, extremely dirty. I just got a shop napkin here and I wiped everything down, but that is so caked with like dust and grime and stuff that the previous owner never changed these just because car has such low mileage on it. So there was no need for them to do that. But as you guys can see here, there is a difference with bulb. There's stock bulb versus our LED. This is the 194 right over here. Very easy process. So how this works, guys, is you have your housing that's wedged up in here. For me, it wasn't really too hard to like get my finger in here because as you can see, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get this little clip. You want to take your finger and get this clip and push it over like this. You want to push that like that. It doesn't have a lot of room there. And then you want to pull it out. So that's when this little handy dandy Phillips head screwdriver here comes in handy if your fingers aren't small enough or it's very tight in there. I had to use this on the left side, but you want to basically just kind of pry it and then use your fingers and your hands for the rest of the work to pull this baby out. So that's how you do that. And then once you get that off, you're going to want to unscrew the filter there. Very simple. You just turn it to the left and then pull out. Pull that thing out. So it's really easy. And I'm sorry. All these things I'm saying are like the that's what he said, that's what she said thing. Chloe, watch out, please. And then we got Pug Mug. Hi, Chloe. Are you helping your mommy? Say hello to everybody out there on YouTube. Are you helping your mommy? Yes, you are. You're good at helping, huh? You're good at helping. All right. Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey. So yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and make a little clip here to show you real quick. Let's see what the difference looks like here, shall we? Let's go ahead and see how we look with these. All right, guys, so now it's time for comparing and contrasting. As you can see, we have our stock OEM bulb here on the left. very yellow. Does not look good against this white pearl paint in my opinion. And then on the right, we have our bulb number 194, our Sylvania brand, 6,000 kelvins, very bright white, night and day difference. And this, keep in mind, is during the daytime, guys. This is not even at night. So I am then, our lights just turned off because I'm sitting here without my engine on right now. So everything's just turned off, but I'm gonna also make a nighttime clip of outside what this looks like once the housing's put back on. So stay tuned, guys, for that. All right, guys, so there we have it. Here is the final look for the bulb number 194, the LED white 6,000 Kelvin Sylvania brand bulb here for the Vanity license plate light. Looks super great. Definitely night and day difference compared to that icky stock yellow. And just to give you guys an idea here, in person, it is much cooler. It doesn't have any warm tone like my iPhone is depicting. Much cooler tone. So, there we have it, guys. I hope that my video was helpful in letting you guys, I guess, make a decision if you want to go with this look for your own car. Don't have to necessarily have a Z car to do it. So I hope that this video was helpful, guys. And until my next video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.